देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को कैम्ब्रिज एनर्जी रिसर्च एसोसिएट्स वीक इन शॉर्ट सेरावीक के वैश्विक ऊर्जा और पर्यावरण नेतृत्व पुरस्कार से नवाजा गया। प्रधानमंत्री ने यह सम्मान वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से स्वीकार किया और इसे देश की जनता को समर्पित किया। इस अवसर पर संक्षिप्त संबोधन पर उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा, आइए देखते हैं।
नमस्कार। It is with great humility that I accept the CERAWeek Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award. I dedicate this award to the people of our great motherland India. I dedicate this award to the glorious tradition of our land that has shown the way when it comes to caring for the environment. Friends, this award recognizes environmental leadership. About leadership, it is commonly said that the best way to show it is through action. There is no doubt that when it comes to care for the environment, the people of India are leaders. This has been the case for centuries. In our culture, nature and divinity are closely linked. Our gods and goddesses are associated with some or other tree and animal. The trees and animals are also sacred. You can pick literature from any state in any language. You will find many examples of the close bond people and nature have enjoyed. Friends, in Mahatma Gandhi, we have one of the greatest environment champions to have ever lived. If humanity had followed the path given by him, we would not face many of the problems we do today. I would urge you all to visit Mahatma Gandhi's home in the coastal city of Porbandar, Gujarat. Next to his home, you will get very practical lessons on water conservation. There are underground tanks constructed over 200 years ago. They were built to save rainwater. Friends, climate change and calamities are major challenges today. Both are interlinked. There are two ways to fight them. One, and that is through policies, laws, rules, and orders. These have their own importance, no doubt. I can share with you some examples. Share of non-fossil sources in India's installed capacity of electricity has grown by 38% now. We have moved to Bharat 6 emission norms since April 2020. This is equal to Euro 6 fuel. India is working to increase the share of natural gas from the current 6% to 15% by 2030. LNG is being promoted as a fuel. We just launched a national hydrogen mission last month for use of hydrogen as fuel. Recently, a scheme called PM Kusum was announced. This will promote an equitable and decentralized model of solar energy generation. But there is something beyond the world of policies, laws, rules, and orders. The most powerful way to fight climate change is behavioral change. There is a very famous story many of you would have heard of. A small child was given a torn world map. The child was told to fix it, thinking it could never be done. But the child actually did successfully. When asked how the child did so, the child said, at the back of the world map was a figure of a man. All the child did was to assemble the figure of the man. And because of that, the world map also got assembled. The message is clear. Let us fix ourselves, and the world will be a better place. Friends, this spirit of behavioral change is a key part of our traditional habits, which teaches us consumption with compassion. A mindless throwaway culture is not a part of our ethos. Look at our farming methods or our foods.